Climb inside the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as cruise control, heated and ventilated seats, a headlight cleaning system, power moonroof, a power liftgate, blind spot sensor, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.